Create the ideal Mediterranean look using some of the latest trends to get an open, breezy feel in your home. Choose tiles with cool colors and patterns to create the look and feel of a lagoon. You'll want to choose blue colors with subtle, wavy patterns to mimic the water and sand. Bring in white tile for floors that support the serenity of a white room. The most stylish Mediterranean look relies heavily on patterns. Choose a mixture of cool and warm colors with repetitive, sharp, and smooth patterns. Incorporate smooth marble and use both matte and gloss finishes. Complete your Mediterranean look by bringing in the rustic elements of the seaside with weathered tile that mimics cobbled stone streets. Ready to create your perfect Mediterranean look? Visit your local Floor & Decor today or browse online at flooranddecor.com.